So after marinating this pork shoulder for one whole day, now I'm gonna start by frying it. All right. So the oil is out. I just had like 2 tablespoons of the oil, ordinary oil. I'm gonna let this fry on both sides, and then I'm gonna add it to the oven because I'm making some barbecue garlic pork. All right. So after finish frying this pork on both sides, I just wanted to get this color, and then I'm going to add it into the oven so it should be fully cooked. Alright, stay tuned. So after frying it on both sides for like 3 minutes each, I'm going to add it into the pan, and then I'm going to add it into the oven. So now I'm going to add this into the oven for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to baste it with the barbecue sauce. Stay tuned. So now I'll take this pork shoulder out of the oven, and I'm going to baste it with the barbecue sauce. In this bowl is 3 cloves of garlic. All right, I have the barbecue sauce, I have the sugar, I have some cayenne pepper and some complete seasoning in here, and also I have the honey. All right, I'm gonna mix all into one bowl. All right, so sugar, I like to taste the sweetness. All right, and the honey, I'm gonna take 1 spoonful, and I'm gonna mix it all together. All right, and then I'm gonna baste this pork shoulder. Stay tuned. So now that I brush this on the one side, I'm going to put it back into the oven, and then I'm going to turn it over. So stay tuned. All right, and this is it when it's finished. Okay, I'm going to sprinkle a little parsley leaf on the top of it. Maybe it's too much. Okay, so I'm going to plate it and let you see. This would look like when it's finished. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please press the bell so that you could be notified whenever I post. Alright, this is garlic barbecue pork shoulders. Alright, delicious guys, try it.